Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It. Today we're going to change the rear wiper on my 2010 Honda Pilot. If you see the rubber, it's seen better days. And if you rub it, it's really dirty. So let's change that. All right, this is super easy to do. You just pull it out and then it comes right out. Comes right out of here. All right guys, this is a new wiper. It's a 14-inch blade. So what you're going to do is pull it out. With this facing down, you're gonna go into the first hole here. So stick this in there like that. And then this part is gonna go in first and then twist it in. Now this thing, you pull it out and you're all done. All right, if you wanted to do the whole wiper blade, you just pull this little cap off and then take out this little 10mm nut. You pull out the blade, put in the other one, put the nut back on, and just snap this back in place. That's it. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.